special report is about the presence of the American servicemen at the Lumbia Air Base, which is now is becoming the topic
Yeah.
of intense discussion among the people kagaya Euro in the social media. Ganyan sa buntag, kung nala ni Binisay, ganyan sa buntag, di naman ang
Yeah.
commanding officer of the Lumbia
Philippine Air Force.
Air Force Base,
Yeah.
and nag-ingon siya nga wala may problema kay lagi this is part of the agreement between the US and the Philippines on the EDCA, the Enhanced Cooperation, Defense Cooperation Agreement, o kanang pagsulod lugar sa mga sundalo di gikan sa Amerika, party ka na sa agreement, and then temporary lang, o basically the focus of this presence is on humanitarian purposes. It has no connection with the war that's going on in the Middle East, and there is no reason or basis for us to be afraid or to be in panic or whatever. But Madam Chair, in that statement of our Air Force Commander of Lumbia, personally, I'm not satisfied because there is no space for us to ask question. Pagpangutana. It was a monologue, and there is no bilateral discussion on the issue between the Air Force Commander and we as the representative of the people, Cagayan de Oro, who are all afraid. Ang ako is this. Kanang Lumbia Air Base, commercial po man kaniya to, wala tayo problema na. Daliwala nga naa na siya sa tunga sa usa ka dako nga commercial bustling community sa atong dakbayan. Walay nagreklamo na malipayon nga ang Lumbia Commercial Airport kay lagi nakatabang man sa ekonomiya sa atong dakbayan. But now nga gihimo na kining airbase, the paradigm has changed. The perception of the people now has changed. Kay lagi nakahibalot ang an airbase or